Alright, I'm just gonna make a quick video here in case this is useful to anybody. Got a PKVS18 Nutrichef automatic vacuum sealer. The vacuum pump itself is still working fine, but the heating element is no longer sealing shut bags, so it just sucks all the air out of the bag, and then when it's supposed to seal it, when you open the lid back up, it's just an unsealed bag. So we're gonna open it up here, see why it's not working. Use a little bit longer screwdriver here on the screws in the back. Alright, so take this, just kind of sit it here in the back right now so that it's out of the way. You know, you can see the circuit board in here, the vacuum pump, all of that stuff I assume is probably fine, because I think most of that's for the vacuum pump. There's probably some circuitry on there that does control the heating element, but I tend to think the issue's probably in the wiring or in the top of the lid somewhere. Try to position this so you can see over here. Let me just grab, so if you can see this, there's a tab that can be pushed on right here, and it kind of pops this pin loose. Then you can pull that pin out. Do the same on the other side. And see if I can position this camera back over here. So we'll flip this back now, and just as we took the bottom apart, I guess you can probably see there, just saw that, so looks like a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires are broken there. So I'm guessing that's probably going to be the only issue, but we'll continue opening up this top part. See if there's any more wiring issues in the top. Separated. I think one of these screws might be holding just a tad bit. There we go. So that part is loose now. See if we can carefully just tip this up. So looks like that's the heating strip and element right there. I don't think I'm gonna pull any of that apart to look at that until we can verify that there's an issue other than just this 5-pin wiring that's right here. So see if we can get this pulled. Right, there's that connector. Sit that back down for now. Let's see if we can flip this back over and then unplug it on the circuit board there as well. And then see if we can just pull this out. Alright, so as you can see there, that's probably going to be our issue. I'll see if do a little bit of research here and see if I can find a suitable replacement and get back to you.